Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. Today I'll be showing you all a very simple Kerala saree makeup look with minimum products, and also I haven't used any makeup brushes or even a sponge for this makeup look. So it's very basic, but yet it's very classic and elegant. And also I have also done the hairdo with jasmine flower and rose flower. It might look little complicated, but then it's very simple to achieve. And also I have also shot a video on how to wear this Kerala sari, which will be up pretty soon, so I'm so excited for that as well. Now as you guys can see, with basic products, with very simple products, we can achieve this look. So let's get started. First of all, I'll be moisturizing my face with aloe vera gel. This is wow aloe vera gel, and this is gonna be my primer as well. I'll be taking a little bit of this and applying it all over my face as well as to my neck. This is a very nice primer, guys. It's I mean, not primer, it's a very nice aloe vera gel, and it acts as a good primer as well. And then I'll be using this Garnier BB cream, and this is the only cream product we are using as a base. We are not using any foundation or any concealer or anything like that. I'll be applying it with my fingers itself. I'll be just spreading it all over my face and evenly spreading and applying it to my face. So it might look little lighter to my skin tone, but then once it is set, it is gonna be fine. So for the compact powder, I'll be using this Maybelline compact powder, and with the same sponge which comes with the compact powder, I'll be setting my BB cream, my base, and that's it. Base makeup is done. For eyebrows, I'll be using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. I'll be filling in the gaps. That's it. Since I have got thick eyebrows, I won't be doing much, and just filling in the gaps. And once it is done, I'll be going over it with the brush which is there in the cap of this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. And it's a very nice eyebrow pencil. It's very affordable. I think it's just for 100 rupees, but it's really good. And then I'll be applying a compact powder to my eyelids, the same compact powder to my eyelids, so that the kajal stays on for a longer time. And we are going to create a very simple smoky eye with just kajal. So first I'll be applying it to my waterline as well as to my lash line. Once it is done, I'll be applying a thick liner to my upper lash line. It need not be neat, it's just need to be just a thick line, because we are gonna smudge it later on. So you need not worry about being neat, just draw a very thick line. Then after that, using a Q-tip, I'll be just smudging my lower lash line, so that it's a very nice smudge look. After that, I'll be smudging the upper lash line as well. I make it a point that I do not smudge from the lash line, so that the lash line part is darker, and when it's going up, it's lighter and lighter. That's how it looks more beautiful. So once it is smudged really well, I'll be tight lining my upper lash line, and then also I'll be very slightly, I'll be drawing a very thin line, so that the lash line part looks darker. So just that, with that, our smoky eye makeup is done. And then again we can draw a very small wing, not very long. If you want, you can go for it. I'm drawing a very small wing, and then I'll be again just extending this wing with the same Q-tip. And then whatever is there extra kajal is there, I'll be just rubbing it off with my fingers itself. And this beautiful smoky eye makeup is done, and we'll be repeating the same to the other eye as well. First we'll be applying kajal to our lash line, and also waterline, and then upper lash line, and smudging it with a Q-tip or earbud, whatever we name it as. And then once it is smudged, we'll be tight lining our upper lash line, and done. It's done. It's very simple, but it's very beautiful. You can go ahead and do this if you do not have time to do wing liner, because I feel it's much easier. Then I'll be using this mascara, hyper curl mascara, and I'll be putting lots and lots of mascara, because since there is lot and lot of kajal, it's very important that we apply mascara because it just opens up our eyes. And then for lips, I'll be first applying this Miss Claire lip liner in the shade red. I'll be applying it all over my lips. I'll be applying a nude lipstick, so just to have a little bit pinky shade to that nude lipstick, I'll be applying this as my base. I mean, this as my lip liner, a dark lip liner. You can basically use any dark lip liner. And then I'll be using this Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick, which is a perfect nude for dusky skin tone. And then on top of this, I'll be applying this Miss Claire lip gloss, just in the like in the middle part of the lips, so that lips are like more plump and more flushy and more beautiful. And then now let's move on to hairstyle, which is again very simple. As usual, I've taken middle partition. If you want, you can go ahead and take a side partition. It's all up to you. So just take a chunk of hair from both the sections, and then back side, whatever hair is left, we need to tie a ponytail. Before that, make sure that the front section of hair is clipped with a pin or a clip or a hair tie, because we do not want it to disturb the back part of hair. And then just tease the crown part so that it looks a little bit voluminous, and then tie a ponytail. That's it. So once it is done, we have to do a braid, a regular 3-strand braid. Nothing, no complications, nothing. Just go ahead and do a 3-strand braid, but make sure that it's not tight. Make sure that it's as loose as possible, so that it's more voluminous. Bun looks more big, and it looks more beautiful and voluminous. And then once it is done, just put it all around the hair tie and make it as a bun, and secure it with U-pins, and it's best to secure it with U-pins rather than bobby pins, because I think buns it just holds better. So always have lot of U-pins and also bobby pins with you while doing these kind of hairstyle, especially buns. So once it is done, let's work on with this section of hair. We need to do a regular braid. What the difference is that while doing a braid, just add in extra hair from the sides. So that's it, very simple. It might look a little difficult if you are, especially if you are a beginner, but then if you get that technique, it's gonna be very simple, and it's very beautiful. It seems like it's very complicated and we have done something to our hair, but it's quite simple. So once it reaches to our ear part, just have a normal braid, and then what we need to do is, like, once it is kind of half, just fan it out so that it's not, I mean, like, very flat. It's just to have a little bit volume. Just pull in the hair from sides so that it looks voluminous, and then braid it till the end. Once you braid it till the end, just what we need to do is, like, just rotate over, I mean, not rotate, just put that hair strand or this braid all over the bun, and then again secure it with U-pins, and that's done. Again, we have to repeat the same to the other section of hair. Just start braiding your hair, and then add in hair while you are braiding, and once it reaches to ear part, just braid it and then fan out a bit so that it's voluminous. And once the braid is done, just put it all over the bun and then secure it with U-pins or bobby pins. Once we secure it with the U-pins, just pull your hair here and there, so that again, as I said, it's a little bit more messy, so that it's again more beautiful. And then I'll be just setting my hair with aloe vera gel, because I've got lot of baby hair, and I think aloe vera gel works best just as a hair gel. Not that good, but then it does its job. So once it is done, take the jasmine flower and adjust the length according to the hair bun. We do not want this jasmine flower all over the bun, just half of the bun. So adjust the length of jasmine flower accordingly and put it just down to the bun, and then secure it with bobby pin. So as you guys can see, we are not putting it all around the bun, just half of the bun. So you can leave it as it is, it's just as beautiful. But since I've got rose flowers, I'll be putting on rose flowers just like so, and I feel it's really beautiful. It's perfect as a wedding guest or hairstyle. And also rose flower hairstyle is so much in trend right now, so I think it's really stunning and beautiful. And once it is done, just secure it with bobby pin or U-pin. I think here it's best to secure it with U-pins. I mean not U-pins, bobby pins. And with that, our hairstyle is done, and I'll be just setting it with my DIY makeup setting spray. So I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. If so, please just try it out and let me know how it turned out for you all. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.